KittiesMama, and today I'm here with Karina Garcia.
Hi guys!
Today we're going to be making giant Floam slime. We did a video over on her channel, so make sure to go check that out and subscribe to her. Link is in the description.
Yeah, we did a giant jelly cube slime. It's this new slime trend and we're gonna make a giant batch of it.
So let's get into it. Step one.
Okay. Glue, obviously, and we have to do gallons, okay? We're going big. I have this huge container. By the way, this is like bigger than you. I think this is as tall as you, like no lie.
I'm pretty short. So.
Yeah, this is literally huge. Okay, we're gonna pour all this in there. We're just gonna go in. I'm just going crazy, okay? This is what I do with all my videos. I just go in. Sometimes I break the container, sometimes I break the glue container. I just go crazy, girl.
What if the whole container breaks and then just everything goes everywhere?
Let's hope that doesn't happen. Have you got slime in your hair before? Because that happened once. Oh yeah, it's really bad. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with our activator. So there's like 100 ways to make slime, but this is like the easiest way. It's just detergent mixed with water and our 2 liters, is it? Is it 2 liters? Yeah, because you know it's a big slime, so we need a lot of activator. You have to add it slowly and mix it. If you pour the whole thing at once, then you're gonna ruin it. So take it easy. I'm just gonna start pouring. Okay, this is a lot already.
This is a whole ton of it.
This is huge. Ooh, okay. I feel like we're getting so much activator for this. Why does this look so big? I mean, it is. Ooh. Okay, it's getting there. It's getting a little slimy. Oh my gosh, these things are really hard to hold, right?
A little bit, yes.
You literally have to put your spatula down and then go in with the activator. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm like spilling stuff. Just gonna mix that in. So what's your favorite slime?
I like the ones that you can put into bubbles and you can crunch it.
Oh my gosh, well Floam does that, so I'm excited.
It's gonna be real good and
real crunchy. I love crunchy slime.
It's the best.
It is. Okay, mine's getting really thick.
There's a whole lot of activator just floating on top.
Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna have to put my hands in, and I'm scared because it looks really messy. Oh, of course. Why do I always do this to myself? I'm literally spilling it everywhere already. Okay, I need to chill out because then I'm not trying to remove my clothes today. Oh gosh. Okay. This is getting so thick. I just feel like, I don't know. I feel like kind of putting my hands in it, but I'm scared. It's getting a little thick to mix. Whoa.
Ugh.
Ah. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's getting really thick. Like the mixing is getting harder and harder. Gosh. Okay. I kind of feel like mine's ready for my hands.
It's hand ready.
But I'm scared. Okay, well, I already kind of messed up. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go in. I'm scared, but whatever. I'm going in.
Well, I'm taking off my watch if I have to.
Take it off, girl. Ooh, this feels good. Okay. How am I supposed to go in back? Oh. Let's see. I'm really just going in with it because I feel like it needs a lot. Okay, I'm making a mess. Okay, come through. What's happening, I think. It always takes so long to make a giant batch of slime just because it's so big.
I've only made like 2 giant batches. There's one for that like stress ball. And I forgot.
Oh, those are amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it always takes a long time. Like when you think of a regular batch, just like using the regular 6-ounce glues, that literally takes like 2 minutes to make. But when you're making something like this, it's a lot of kneading.
Yes.
You even break a sweat. It's a lot. A lot goes into making a big batch. It's feeling good though. I feel like it's getting there.
Probably.
Look at this. Ooh. This is. It's starting to unstick though because it's starting to make the noises. This is exciting. Okay, it's happening. I feel like this one's almost done.
And then we add the Floam.
Yeah.
Which I don't know how we're gonna get out with our hands.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well. Oh my god, it's amazing. Go. Oh my gosh, this sounds so good. The clickiness is everything, okay? This is good slime. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I literally live for this. You know what's so funny? I feel like people would just think that I just like, I'm all about slime on YouTube, but like, if you saw me in real life, ask anybody that knows me, I'm constantly playing with slime. It's just so addicting.
Do you have like a room that you fill with all the slime?
I have like 2 slime rooms, first of all. I'll show you guys. I have my filming room that is literally trashed right now. I haven't filmed in there in like a month because it's so bad. But we have another slime room because my boyfriend actually has like this little like Etsy slime shop. And we have a giant mixer in there that makes slime. And we have like a bunch of scents and it's like slime heaven in there. It smells amazing in there all the time, and that's literally the slime room.
It seems cool. Like a small little heaven.
Yeah.
Now we're going to split our slime into 4 different containers. This way they're easier to color. Next we are going to color our slimes. I'm going to be doing pink and yellow.
Ooh, what should I do? I'll do blue and green. Okay.
Nice.
I think that would be cute. Oh yeah, you don't want to get this on your clothes. Ooh. Hello, Floam. How are you doing?
This was sent to us by PlayFoam. We asked for a giant thing of foam and they delivered.
PlayFoam, if you're watching this, hit a girl up. I want some too, okay? This is amazing. Okay, I'm just gonna take all this big old block. Like, what? How? This is amazing. Ooh.
It's so light and soft.
Oh, I love it. You know, there's like the Floam beads that they're just Floam beads, but this is kind of stuck together, like it's moldable. I feel like it makes it easier because I've made Floam slime before when it's just a loose beads and it's like a mess and stuff. And then this, like
I feel like they're not gonna fall out.
Oh my gosh, I feel like mixing anything in slime is just fun, even like the food coloring, just anything.
Yes, it's always fun to fold them. Fold it, them.
Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh. I just need to show them a piece of how this is coming out because this is so cool.
I'm just mixing
and the
it
Floam like makes it thicker. It makes the slime thicker and more moldable. You see that? This is such a nice color. That looks so good. It kind of looks like bubblegum. Like I just picture it smelling like bubblegum. I don't know. Okay, this is already moldable. This is so cool. And this is not all it's gonna be, you know? Like I'm holding it with one hand. Like this is so cool. Like it's so moldable.
Wow, it's super heavy.
I know. It's just so cool. It's just
perfect.
I haven't even tried. It just popped on its own. Wow. This is honestly, I love it. Wow. Your colors are so pretty.
Thank you. I like yours. They're real
cute.
Nice and cool.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, that one is so good. Which is good because Floam is usually just one thick slime. Like this is so cool.
That is cool. Wow.
Like what the heck?
Do you need any more foam?
I kind of feel like I should add more. Oh my gosh, it just gets bigger and bigger.
Wow.
This one I feel like is super soft.
This one's like the perfect mixture.
Oh my gosh. This is my blue one. This is my green one. Here it is.
I guess my clothes.
Why do I always drop everything? Oh my gosh. These clothes are gonna look good.
Should we just like swap them on each other?
Should we? Oh my gosh, should we do like a high five with them?
So I guess we're gonna start mixing these.
Okay. Where do I even start with these blocks?
I'm just gonna start folding them.
Oh my gosh, what if we did like a mountain of them? We could place on top, see how cool it looks?
Oh, nice.
Oh my gosh,
Looks
this
like
looks
two
really
jumps.
cool. Let me try to lift it. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Okay, this looks really cool.
I guess just...
It kind of reminds me of, no it doesn't, I'm just kidding. I was gonna say Napolitan ice cream, but there's no chocolate in here.
Yeah. It's like chewed up gum.
It is. And you know what? The colors, you know, like this is mint, this is banana, the regular bubblegum. This would be like blueberry, I don't know.
Ooh, raspberry, which isn't a fruit. It doesn't
Ooh.
exist.
Ah.
It's difficult. Ugh.
Oh my gosh, I just love how they mix together though. They're so pretty. Ooh. Ooh. This is so cute. I feel like you literally have to put your whole weight on it to mix it in because it's so thick.
I'm just gonna stick pieces of it.
I know, right? You can get it everywhere.
So it's not gonna mix that well.
Ooh.
This is gonna take a while.
This is thick. It's so thick.
Oh, look at all this blue we have.
It's literally just a big block. Like, wow. Whoa.
Ooh,
I love how it sounds when you lift it.
Yeah. Very nice mix. The green's mixing well.
Yeah, it is. I feel like it's so...
I'm not sure. It's gonna take a
Oh, this
while.
side's mixing. Look, this is mixing. It looks really pretty. I actually like the end color.
I feel like it's gonna be mainly blue.
This is wild.
Oh wow, look at that.
Okay, that looks really cute. Oh my god.
It's like a rainbow.
It looks like like a pastel rainbow.
That's so pretty.
That is so pretty.
It's like, it's just nice and bouncy.
It is. It literally bounced away.
Comment down below what you think of our giant Floam slime. It's great.
It's so crunchy.
It's a very crunchy slime if you're into it. Make sure to check out Karina's channel where we did a jelly slime video. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow on Twitter, and see you later, alligators.
Bye!
Click these rectangles to watch our videos and click this circle to subscribe. See ya.